Hi, this is Pam Schmidt, kindergarten teacher and independent Norwex consultant. Today I want to talk to you about my favorite Norwex tool to use in the classroom. Every week we clean our tables, and some people in our staff use these kinds of products and they like the smell. But I have to tell you, I don't really like them. I feel like they leave a residue. I feel like they kind of mess with our ability to build an immune system. And so for that reason, I chose to bring in my Norwex cloths. My favorite to use in class is the Enviro. And what I like to do is just wet it thoroughly, fold it in fourths, go wipe off all the tables. It's shocking. We wipe down our tables once a week, sometimes twice a week, and there's always grunge. I cannot believe it. What I did this year was I took some of my old Enviro cloths and I cut them in fourths. That voids the warranty, just so you know. And I did that to 3 of them. So now I have 12 cloths for my kids to use in the classroom. So that's half of my group. The kids are able to get it, it's wet, I've wrung it out, I tell them go wipe down tables, and they quick. Then the next group, they bring it back and I quick rinse it and bring it. Okay, now you go work on chairs. And we've got it pretty clean, very fast, picking up 99% of germs and bacteria, and it's sitting on the cloth, and within 24 hours, the cloth self-purifies. If you don't want to cut up yours and you want the good size, small size for kids, look at this. This comes in the travel pack, and it also is part of the MVP pack. And these are the Enviros also with that same self-purifying technology. Don't miss this. This can work in home, in cars, on the road, in classrooms. The Enviro is my favorite classroom tool. Have a great day.